Hello and welcome to another video of a unique car model unboxing and review. So what do we have this time? We have a Pagani Huayra, I believe. I hope I'm saying it the correct way. And it's a 124 scale, and this is from Motor Max. Okay, so I already opened the box and disconnected the car from the base just to make it easier for the review and the video. But let's have a look at the box first, and then we can take it out. Alright, so let's open the box and take this Pagani out. Here we go. Okay. Alright, so here is the car. Matte finish, very nice. I really love the design. Design of Italian cars always unique, artistic. As a designer, I enjoy looking and collecting cars, especially Italian cars. I'm not gonna buy a real one. No plans to, but I buy models. Alright, so let's have a look. That is the front here. And this is the side. You can see the freehand signature, kind of freehand signature here by Pagani, which actually makes it very nice touch. And this top line, bottom line on the side, like red lines on the black, defines the design lines, if I may say. The back here, not bad at all. And you can see the engine on the back. And the interior is mostly red, very nice red. Let's open the doors. Okay, as expected, and the other door as well. Alright, so it's gonna fly now. It's not bad details at all, not bad details. As you can see, the interior mostly red. Chairs on the back of the chairs. Dashboard. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, I really hope I can drive this car real on at least once. Alright, so bottom is very plain, if you can say. Just details about this model, and that's it. Yeah, mostly people keep it in the box, so that's why they didn't make any effort. It's not expensive model, it's very reasonable price. so maybe that's why, but still not bad. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope you like it, and see you next time.